You got me like, girl, what you want from me? What you want from me?
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing good. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. My name is Sophia. If this is your first time on my channel, today's video is going to be a celebrity inspired makeup tutorial. And if you couldn't guess from the intro, this video is absolutely inspired by Rihanna's Love on the Brain music video. So I tried to recreate the exact look she had in the video because I feel like the look is bomb, guys, and I feel like it's a really nice way to rock a black lipstick. It's one of those black lipstick looks that you can rock without feeling like you're doing the absolute most. I've been thinking about doing celebrity inspired looks for the longest time, and I was even more inspired when I came across this really talented makeup artist. Her name is Viva Glam K on Instagram. I'm not sure what it is on Facebook, but she does these Facebook shows and they are really amazing. I'm gonna leave the link to her shows in this video so you can click and watch them. I've pretty much seen every episode she's uploaded. She does really amazing makeup tutorials, and I was like, yes, I want to do this. I want to do this. I want to share it with you guys. Let me know what you guys think about the whole celebrity inspired makeup tutorials. Let me know if you're feeling it in the comment section or if you're not. And if you are and you do have some ideas or some celebrity makeup inspired looks that you'd like to see on my channel, please leave your comments in the comment section. I would really love to see them. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It only takes a second. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, okay? So I already did my brows and I pretty much just filled it up with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in Ebony. So in the video, Rihanna had some kind of nice dewy glow, and you guys know I'm all about the dewy look. You know, I'm all about the glow. I'm using my Eloise Illuminating drops to achieve that, and this one is in 24K gold. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in shade 356 Warm Coconut. I'm pretty much going to be mixing the foundation and the illuminating drops just because it saves me time, you know, blending everything together. And using my blending sponge, I'm pretty much just gonna blend everything out. And in the video, her face is contoured, but it's very subtle. So I'm gonna try and make sure my contour is not as harsh as it would normally be. Just want to spend some more time blending it out a lot more. I feel like these Matchstix are good, but this Expresso contour stick is kind of hard to blend. At first I didn't notice that, but like, you know, using it over and over again, I've noticed that, you know, sometimes the lines are pretty harsh. Moving on, I'm going to set my concealer with my CoverGirl Professional Loose Powder, and I'm using shade 115, and it's the translucent medium. So her eye makeup is pretty simple in this video. She just pretty much has like a brown eyeshadow going on, just like a monochromatic look from what I can see in the video. So I'm going to go into my Naked Peak palette and I'm going to be using Cayenne. I feel like it's as close as it gets to the eyeshadow in the video. And just so you know, I pretty much already primed my eyelids using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm just going to take this above the crease. I love this color. I feel like it's so gorgeous on my skin tone. Yeah, it's really good. I'm pretty much going to use the same shade, the same cayenne on my eyelids. It's that good. It's that gorgeous. I can't really see properly. The mirror on this palette is hella dirty. But yeah, I like that. Sometimes it's nice to just keep it simple. Like who says you can use just one eyeshadow throughout your eyes, you know? Why does it have to be complicated? I'm just gonna blend the eyeshadow above the crease. When I was younger, there was this day, I wasn't going anywhere, I wasn't gonna do anything. I just really felt like, you know, blowing myself off. So I took a shower, I had my purple top on. Purple is my favorite color, or used to be my favorite color at the time. I pretty much just applied my purple eyeshadow, just a lot of chunks. Didn't blend it, didn't do anything. I pretty much just used, you know, the little sponge thing that comes with the palettes. Yeah, that's all it pretty much had. And I saved my money. I saved my hard-earned money to buy that eyeshadow. And then my mom comes in, I think she went to the market or something, and she comes in and she's like, what's on your eyes? I'm like, eyeshadow. And I think I was like 16 or 17. I know I just finished high school for sure. And she's like, come here. And I got my ass whooped. Then my mom, like, she never used to play. Like, you can just wake up on the side to apply makeup. Like, and what's like really crazy is that the day I actually decided to apply the eyeshadow, like I didn't have foundation or anything else done. I didn't even do my brows. I pretty much just put my purple eyeshadow on and applied my lip balm, and I was kind of like I was the real deal back then, you know. Anyways, let's get back into the makeup. I'm gonna be using Chaser at the end, the second color. I'm gonna be using this for my brow bone. I feel like even though her eyes are simple in the video, there's some shine to it. And just to achieve that, you know, glossy eye look, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. Almost it for the eye look. I'm going to go ahead and apply some lashes, and these ones are from BHCosmetics. So anyways, these lashes are looking bomb, guys, and the adhesive I find is strong. It's really good. I feel like it's actually better than the Nude one. Like I didn't have any issues. Just have some eyeliner on in the video, so I'm gonna quickly line my eyes. Line my eyes. I like to do this before I apply lashes, just because I find it better. Well, I forgot to. I'm gonna go ahead and line my waterline with a black pencil. And you know how to forget. And I'm gonna apply cayenne to my lower lids. Why we've changed, and there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. And to finish up this eye look, I'm gonna be applying my mascara, and I'm gonna be using the Colossal Shot mascara by Maybelline. I'm gonna sweep off all the excess of the powder using my Maybelline pressed powder in 55. I'm gonna go into my BHCosmetics Nude Blush palette. I'm going with this. It's kind of like a nudish pink blush. I'm just gonna apply a little bit to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to move on to highlight, and I'm going to be using my MasterChrome highlighter, and this one's a Molten Gold number 100. Just to make sure I have some highlight going on, nothing too over the top, but you know, still popping at the same time. Not sure if you get me, but yeah. I'm just gonna apply a little bit under my brow. Yep, smell like it. I'm gonna be using this black lipstick from NYX. I got this at my local drugstore, and it's the NYX Liquid Suede Cream Lipstick, and this one's an Alien. Yeah. And I'm gonna first start by lining my lips with a black liner. And don't mind my liner, I know it looks crazy as heck, but my lipstick's gonna cover it up anyways. We all know Riri has like the sickest Cupid's bow going on at all times, so I'm going to try and clean up this mess and, you know, see if I can kind of exaggerate my Cupid's bow a little bit. It doesn't look like she has anything going on in her inner tear duct, but I feel like I'm so used to always having some highlighter or something bright in there. I kind of feel naked without it. So I'm going to go back into my MasterChrome highlighter, and I am just going to apply some of that highlighter to my inner tear duct area. So now I kind of feel like the look is complete. I feel like if I was ever gonna wear a black lipstick, this is pretty much how I'm gonna wear it. I know some people are like really bold and then they have black lips and then they have like a whole lot going on there, but would I ever wear that in real life? No. You know, sometimes bold looks are like really good, like for editorial purposes, like on camera, on Instagram, and all that, but in real life, it's a no. So this look, I can pretty much wear I can wear this out and I wouldn't feel like I look a ridiculous mess. So let me know what you guys think. I really want to do one celebrity inspired look every month because, I don't know, I feel like I was born to do this kind of, you know, not transformation, just inspiration really. So let me know what you guys think about this theme, and if you guys have any celebrity inspired makeup tutorials you'd like me to film, just leave it in the comment section below and I will be so happy. Like so happy to film the video for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, it's really important, and don't forget to subscribe if you aren't already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.